basically our project of the subject project management. Our responsibility was to organize an event which is supposedly graded, right? It's an event which is aimed at enlightened moderation, and it's a fashion show come concert. And we've covered themes from 70s, 80s, 90s and 2000s. So it's an overall event and we've got a great response. We weren't expecting this much. And there are people actually standing outside for tickets we're out of tickets. It's capacity full.
Basically, I'm over here helping them out with the event. This event is known as Flashback. Just we are giving the students a fashion show, and then after it's followed with a concert. So basically what we are trying to tell them is how fashion has changed over the years. For example, the fashion trends have changed from 70s, 80s, 90s and today at 2000. So that is what we have tried to capture in this show. Basically, it's to create awareness among students at the university that how fashion trends change and how things change in the world around you and how accordingly you should change. So it's showing how you have changed throughout time. So, and what have you come up to? For example, 70s में जो होता था उस वक्त बहुत अच्छा लगता था, but today when you look back at it, maybe you find it funny. The same way जो अब 2000 में हो सकता है 2020 में you find it funny. So that's what we've tried to capture.
Behind this flashback, this event, is to increase our managerial skills because our course is project management, in order to inculcate and remove all the difficulties regarding our managerial capabilities. For that particular purpose, our ma'am Sheila has arranged this, has coordinated with us and given us this task to arrange such an event. So I hope that we succeed and achieve all the desired results.
The project was basically, it's to shake a little bit of paradigms which are existing in Pakistan, which is just that the students are basically just taught what to do. What we are trying to achieve in this university is actually give them projects which have some meaning and they can run their own organizations. बेशक कुछ छोटी organizations हैं, but they should have an experience of running those organizations, managing events and doing things which are going to help them in a longer period of time, and to actually hone their management skills जो कि बाद में जाके वो corporate sector में use करें. Oh, the students have been brilliant. The project was actually, there were two groups made in the class, and one was to arrange a fashion show. What we were trying to test was their event management skills. And I think they were all pretty much A students and they've scored their A's, I think. They've managed everything very properly. The guest list was properly formatted. Security was arranged. Every last detail was looked after. And they've been burning their midnight oils, and I think that they're going to put this university on a map.
And this project, we're studying this course, basically project management, and we had to arrange this event in which we had to learn all the steps of this project management course. And we've arranged this event Flashback in Bahria University, which is a fashion show followed with a concert. And this fashion show has a theme of 70s, 80s, 90s and 20s. I love